Hello friends, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta from Dr.kanchansDesk. Today my topic is very important about autism. Autism spectrum disorder. It's a lifelong syndrome, a condition related to brain development, one with delayed speech, slow in learning, slow in making responses, slow in learning in responding or reacting. The social skills are not developed. Autism is also known as Asperger's syndrome. The child is engaged in stereotype, stimming, self-stimulatory, repetitive behavior. The children poke their eyes, scratch their skin, throw objects, bite and slap other people. The patients bang their head on walls or other objects. 50% of people with autism harm themselves, hit themselves, bite nails, hit their heads with their hands, pull their own hair or pull other people's hair, bite and hurt themselves. Boys are 4 times more likely to develop autism in comparison with girls. Causes may be heredity, autism may be inherited, but unfavorable conditions and environment is responsible for the syndrome. The environment, abuses of medicines or drugs or viral infections to mother during pregnancy may lead to such problems about the children. The children born before time at 7th or 8th month of pregnancy may be prone to autism or Down syndrome or backwardness. It's the problem of mainly preterm babies. The babies show pica behavior as the children eat that which is not eatable. They eat soap, their own stool, dirt, mud, and so on. They don't develop language skill. Screaming, kicking, crying are their common behavior. In Ayurveda, Bacopa, the Brahmi booty, may help to improve the condition, but proper love and training is the necessity for such children. In homeopathy, there are more than 120 remedies to treat autism. First of all, Caliphos, the mineral, the salt of brain, must be taken by pregnant women to give birth to a healthy child mentally, emotionally, and intellectually. Caliphos is the topmost remedy for the development of brain. During pregnancy, the woman must take 5 FOS for all over development of the child, such as natrum FOS, calcarea FOS for the growth of bones, Caliphos for the development of brain, magnesia phos for the development of muscles, proper amount of potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium are very necessary during pregnancy to give birth to a healthy child for holistic development of the child. Next, Helleborus is the remedy if children have reduced sensitivity to pains or stimuli or temperature. Silicea is the remedy when there is defective nutrition. Child cannot assimilate what he eats. Silicea is the remedy for autism after vaccination. Next, we choose Tarentula if child is destructive in behavior, very aggressive and restless. Then Hyoscyamus to be chosen if there is deep stupor and low muttering speech. Kalium Bromatum is meant in autism if there is loss of memory and the child flaps hands, hand flapping. Lysinum is very important because the child having autism has excessive salivary flow, doesn't want to have bath or gets afraid of water. Add those nutrients, those food items which contain vitamin C, zinc, copper, omega 3 and fatty acids, calcarea phos. If the child is anemic, peevish, irritable, and who have desire for motion, traveling, wants to be nursed all the time, but vomits out each matter. Choose calcarea carb, Baryta carb, rheum, chamomilla. For the children, Baryta carb is one of the best remedy to treat weak memory, idioticity, aversion for strangers. The children hide themselves behind chair or under bed or in bathroom. Choose Baryta carb for such great shyness. Baryta carb improves intelligence question as same as Califos. Baryta carb and Califos both treat mental weakness, stunted growth, mental and physical backwardness. One more par excellence remedy to be chosen for other ordinary children also and for the children having autism is par excellence remedy Ethusa. Ethusa is called fool's parsley, which helps the children to develop confidence. Next remedy is Agaricus. Agaricus if the child is not intelligent, one who continuously changes the topics, one with rocking habit, rocks body or head from side to side, twitching of muscles is a marked symptom of autism. Agaricus is the remedy. The child shouts, mutters, and have aversion to work. One sings, talks, but does not answer. one with mental confusion and indifferent nature with sopor, decreased reflexes, delirium, great mental excitement and incoherent talking must be treated by Agaricus. So friends, today I have tried to give you complete knowledge about the problem autism and treatment in homeopathy. If you find my lecture useful for you, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.